Here is my Vox AC15C1. Always gave me a bit of a headache. Kind of, I was always fiddling with its tone, or with my pedals, just to try to make it sound less dull and more lively. Never realizing it's the tone cut knob that was constantly robbing it of these nice open frequencies. So now I keep it totally open, and also I don't use its reverb because the reverb is not so well integrated. Of course, for lower volume, I can't really, because I like the master totally on full. It really opens it up nicer, but I can't gain it up. So I use nobles on a very, very low gain to kind of get that off clean, which I enjoy. So. Off the nobles just a bit for reference. So let's say with a delay it would be like this.